Hi, I'm Diana from Diana Marie Home, and today I'm here to share with you our newly restored master bedroom. This has been a room that we've been working on really since we bought our farmhouse. It was a huge project. When we bought our farmhouse, the ceilings in this room, they're the original tin ceilings, and they were raining paint. Most people probably would have ripped them out because we didn't even know where to start with restoring them. Luckily, my dad came in and helped so much. He sanded them all down for us and totally restored them. This room has transformed so much. I cannot wait to share what this room looked like when we bought the farmhouse, the progress we made over the last year or so, and what it looks like today. It's a huge transformation, and I'm really excited for you to see it.
We were riding down the hill. Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances, colored pills. Morning sex under the tree. All in all, it was my fault. Don't you see I'm feeling blue? But he believes in oil and gold, while I believe in you. I don't mind if you don't love me. I don't mind at all. I don't mind if you don't love me anymore. Will you answer if I ask? Do you really wanna go? You hold these flowers in your hands. No, I don't wanna know. I don't mind if you don't love me. I don't mind at all. I don't mind if you don't love me anymore.
Thank you so much for checking out our newly restored master bedroom. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our full farmhouse tour from when we first bought the house. I'll be creating videos like this as we finish a room. We're working room by room here on a budget, creating cozy spaces as we go. And also, you can follow along on Instagram, Diana Marie Home, for daily updates and inspiration. I'm also on Facebook and Pinterest as well.